Have you ever read fairy tales? Let me know from you how you enjoy it. So, as Jishnu and I see on the WhatsApp, probably Shomit, you have responded well. You have talked about the role of imagination in fairy tales, right? So, fairy tales are products of imagination, right? They take us to a never never land, right? You know the meaning never never land? Never never land means wonderful land, right? And how do we feel in that world? We sometimes feel thrilled, right? We sometimes find ourselves in the land of adventure, all these things, right? So, as Jishnu says, fictional character, yes, Jishnu is absolutely right. Fictional character means characters living in imagination. So, the major component means element of fairy tales is imagination, right? So I'm glad that most of you have read and enjoyed fairy tales, and I think you will enjoy them more in the days to come. Now let us come on to our today's activities, right? Today we have taken up lesson 1, page 9, right? So some questions are there for you on the voice recording. You follow them and try to answer, right? So follow the voice recording. It's a very good habit to read stories, right? So I want you to read more fascinating stories, not only from your textbook, but from outside. Because if you read stories, you can learn how to write stories, right? So writing stories or reading them, both are fascinating experiences. I do not ask you what is a pebble, right? I ask you to tell me about the formation or the process of how we get a pebble, right? Most of you say a pebble is a dots, etc., right? I do not ask you this question. So first try to understand the question. You think over how pebble is formed. So think over the process or formation of pebble. Is it clear? Now, I said this question or I put this question to you to test your ability to speak. So, whenever you answer this type of question, try to use your own words. That means try to speak on your own. Just you use the information from the text, but the language should be your own. Try to understand this point. The title of lesson 1 is The Book of Nature, right? What can be the other title for the text? So, Book of the Early Story of Earth, or Formation of Our Beautiful Nature, History of the Nature. So, out of these three, I prefer the first two. That means Story of our Early Story of our Earth, which Jishnu suggests, or Formation of Our Beautiful Nature. This title is also very good one, but I suggest may be more comprehensive, right? The title may be nature study, right? Nature study. Do you agree with me? Now today, being the first day with you online, I took you through the first lesson, that is for revision, right? Because I can remember I took up this lesson for 7A section when we were all offline, right? So today I just set these activities for you. Most of you find them easy and interesting. So go for the revision of other lessons which you have already finished for summative 1. This much for today. Stay safe and well.